Hello guys, welcome back to the ninth HTML tutorial in which we are going to learn something about working of list. So list is nothing but a, when we representing something as this is a point, and in that we want to include a subpoint, subpoint and subpoint. So this is a working of a list. So we are going to work with the list tag. There are multiple list tag and types of list. So just go and prepare a simple HTML page and give heading as working with HTML. Now you can prepare this page as watching my few tutorials, and this is the code. So just let's get started with the tutorial of creating the list. So in the working of list is there are two types of list, that is unordered list and ordered list. As the name suggests, unordered list means something which is not in order, order list which is something in order. So first we are going to see is that unordered list. So whenever we are working with the unordered list, the unordered list starts with the UL tag, and it represents its item using a li tag. So when we use unordered list, it will, the syntax will be like this, that is, in the opening UL you have to include the items, that is, this is a first item, this is a second item, and you can include another item as per your requirement. Just do not forget to close your unordered list, that is UL. So just go to the file and just write here as a opening of UL tag, just closing UL tag, just add some items using li tag, and I'm going to add something cars, close li tag, and again I'm going to add something as bike, close li tag. So these are two items I have added in an order list. Now just go to the file and save a file, and go to the browser and press F5. So this is a working of list. It will appear as a point, that this is a first point, this is a second point, and like that. So if you want to be add item 1 again after bike, then you can add using again using by li tag, that is li, and write it as anything you want, that is your red, close li tag, and just save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So here we go, we have a third item added. Now we don't want like this, we want something like, we want in cars something sub point as BMW and Audi. In bike we want Honda and Bajaj, and in airplane we don't want anything. So while working with the sub points, that is subcategory, we don't want to do something different, we just want to add another UL tag in that, close the UL tag, and in UL tag just add two items, that is, adding item means using li tag, add BMW, and add another item as using Audi. So close li tag. So this is something like, in cars we are adding BMW. So this is structure, this is car, and in car we are adding the BMW and an Audi. So this is how it works. So you don't want to add something in extra code, you just want to include ul and li. So do not forget to close ul and li tab. So just save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So here we go, we have a BMW and Audi, that is sub point of cars. If you want something to be included in bike, that is Honda and Bajaj, then the same procedure, that is just include in li. After this bike li, just include opening of ul, closing of ul, and in that just add items, first item, and this is my second item, and write whatever you want. I'm adding two items, that is Honda and Charge. So save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So here we go, we have a Honda and Bajaj. So you can add multiple item as per your requirement, and you can get a single item also as per your requirement. So as you can see that in this case, if we are watching, then in this we are something appearing a rounded shape, and in here we are appearing a rounded shape, but it is not a fill around. So how it works with the shape of the unordered list? So we have one attribute that is called as a shape attribute. So that is a type attribute. When we use a type, we want to include a three values, that is instead of using null, that is no value, you can use type as a disk, or use circle, or use square. So just go to the file and use ul space type is equal to square. So just save the file, go to the browser and press. So as you can see, instead of round, it coming as a square. So this is a working of type attribute. We can also change for inner URL, that is type is equal to disk. Okay, just save the file, go to the browser, press F5. So here is a disk. So this, there are three values for that, this disk, circle and square. Disk will contain a black round, circle will just a round, and square is a square. So this is a working of an order list. Now we are going to learn something about order list. Order list is starts with the oval tag, and the list item are represented by li tag. But thing is that when we use ol tag, it will represent as in the numeric format, that is numeric format. That is when we include something like in the file, I'm just including here only, just include br tag for breaking line, and include ol, close of ol, and in that I'm including some li, close li. I'm just include another list item and closing li. I'm including some as a cars. I just want to give you a difference between the unordered and ordered, so I'm representing the same value as a car and bike. So using OOL tag, what happen is that just go to the browser after saving and press F5. So here is the difference between unordered and ordered. It represent is a numeric format. Okay, so if you want something like we want a sub point in the car and bike, you can use using a same command, that is ol, closing of ol, and in that you can add li, closing of li, and new li, closing of li, and in that we can add rd and bmw. Just save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So here in 1 we have 1 and 2. So this is the difference between unordered list and ordered list. The second attribute we have in the ordered list is that we have multiple attributes. In the unordered list is that first one attribute is reversed, which is useful if we want a descending order. So if you want something like it should be start with 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, then in descending order we can use a reverse. So if we put this as a reverse, space reverse, and just save the file. And this is not compatible with multiple browser, that is this is only compatible with Google Chrome browser and all things. So just try it out. If it is working, just press F5. Yes, it is working. So here we go, that is 1, and here 2. This is including in a ascending order. So just remove the reversed. So this is the use of reverse tag, sorry, attribute. And the second attribute is a start. We want to provide a start attribute with the start value, that is when we include a start, that is space start is equal to, we want to start with the 10, and then we can include start is equal to 10. Just save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So it will start with the 10 and the next value is 11. And so this is second attribute, that is start. The third attribute is a type. It is same as how we use in unordered list, that is this square and all this thing we can use in the type, that is 1 a in the uh, Roman keywords. So if we include in our file something like start with 10, but type should be like Roman. So in Roman word it should be display like this, that is 10 and 11. So this is how it works. There are the three attributes, that is reverse, start and type in the order list, and in unordered list there is a one attribute, that is type, and it contains disk, circle and square. So this is how working of unordered list and ordered list. And so we have completed our list items. So working with the list item is completed. In the next tutorial we are going to watch something different than the list. So do not forget to watch my next tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, because I am going to start with the Oracle tutorial as well. So if you are interested in Oracle database management system, uh, accessing a database, selecting a query, and selecting all the data from database, inserting database using Oracle 11g, so you can watch my tutorial. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and visit my website. And thank you for watching, guys. See you soon in the next tutorial. Thank you.